One man, one season, 6,000 runs across 17 years of professional cricket, and still, the number that stops everyone cold is this. In 2016, Virat Kohli scored 973 runs in a single IPL season. Not a career, a season, 53 days. That's not a statistic. That's a statement about what a human being can do when everything pressure, purpose, and pure skill converges at exactly the right moment. Royal Challengers Bangalore has never won an IPL title. Read that again. Despite fielding some of the most gifted batsmen the sport has ever seen, the trophy has always stayed just out of reach. And yet, millions of fans fill stadiums wearing red and gold every single year. That paradox, devotion without reward, is what makes RCB's story worth telling. It's not about trophies. It's about the players who made people believe anyway. The IPL launched in 2008, and RCB immediately became a magnet for extraordinary talent. The team didn't just recruit cricketers, they assembled artists. Batsmen who didn't play the game the way it was supposed to be played. They rewrote the rules mid-match, mid-over, sometimes mid-ball. And the numbers they produced together form one of the most remarkable batting legacies in 2020 cricket history. Virat Kohli didn't just score runs for RCB. He became the tournament's all-time leading run scorer, surpassing 6,000 IPL runs with an average of 39.55. Those numbers belong to Test cricket, not the explosive, chaotic format where bowlers attack and batsmen swing wildly. Kohli brought patience into a format that punishes patience. And somehow it worked better than anything else. Then came A.B. de Villiers, a man who genuinely seemed to have no blind spot. Bowlers studied him. Coaches analyzed him. Fielding captains moved their entire field, only to watch him hit the ball somewhere that didn't exist on the field map. He struck 235 sixes in the IPL. Not boundaries, sixes. Each one a small act of defiance against the laws of geometry. Before de Villiers, there was Chris Gayle, the player who made the IPL understand what power hitting actually meant. 326 sixes, the most in IPL history. When Gayle walked to the crease for RCB, the entire stadium shifted. Bowlers visibly changed their plans. Fielders moved deeper, and still the ball kept clearing the rope. He didn't just hit sixes, he made opponents rethink their entire strategy before he'd faced a single delivery. KL Rahul arrived at RCB as a young, technically gifted batsman still finding his identity. He scored over 2,000 runs in the tournament, including a stunning 132 against Delhi Capitals in 2020. A knock that announced, clearly and loudly, that a new generation had arrived. What made Rahul remarkable wasn't just the runs. It was the composure. He looked unhurried in a format designed to create panic. Here's the detail that reframes everything. None of these four players, Kohli, de Villiers, Gayle, Rahul, ever lifted the IPL trophy together. Their combined runs across RCB's history exceeds 16,000. Their combined sixes could fill a highlight reel that runs for hours. And the cup? It never came. Which means what you witnessed wasn't a dynasty. It was something rarer, greatness without the ending it deserved. That's the thing about sport that mirrors life so precisely. We assume excellence guarantees reward. We believe that if someone works hard enough, scores enough, gives enough, the universe settles the debt. RCB's batting legends prove otherwise. And somehow that makes their numbers feel more human, not less impressive. Greatness doesn't always come with a trophy. Sometimes it just comes with the memory of watching something extraordinary. The next time someone tells you records don't matter without championships, remember 973 runs in 53 days. Remember 326 sixes. Remember a young man from Karnataka scoring 132 and changing what people thought was possible. Subscribe to FactStorm Hub. We tell stories like this every day. Full article on factstormhub.com.